back. My name is Ms.Odarlyn and this is Ms.Syd. Today we're gonna work on fine motor skills. We have a basket with some yarn around it, so it kind of looks like a web. I don't know if you guys could, there you go. It looks like a web. You guys could use a shoebox, any string you guys have, and put any objects inside. Your little ones could use some clippers, even their own hands if they want. Any object you could find in order to reach out and get whatever object is inside through the lines. We're gonna practice that today and we're gonna learn how to sign the colors. Are you guys ready? Let's start. Are you ready? Let's start. So I'm gonna go for green. Green. Yay! Green. This is the color green. You want to try next? Ready? Blue. Is that the color blue? Let me go for the color pink. 2 fingers. Pink. This is the color pink. 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 Okay, it's Ms.Syd's turn. Now you guys can use any type of box. Like I said, a shoe box will be great. You can also use a container, wrap around some strings. Ooh, that's the color yellow. Yellow. What color have we done? This is the color black. Black. It's like you're wiping something off from your forehead, like this. Black. It's your turn. Now remember, if you guys have siblings or any friends at home, you always remember to share. Share, take turns with each other. Ooh, purple. That's the color purple. This is a great activity for your fine motor skills. Keeps the kids very entertained for a long time. Especially when you put fun objects inside. It could be their favorite. No! Orange. Orange. It could keep the kids at home very entertained, especially if you put in their favorite toys, little animals. It depends. It's all up to you guys what you guys want to put. Great. Oh, great. One more, my friends. Red. This means cute, my friends. Cute, but this means red. 1 finger means red. 2 fingers means cute. This is a cute color. Red. Now my friends, let's go over the colors that we have. So we were able to get some green. Green. Also able to get some blue. This is the color blue. We could also get some purple. This is the color purple. We also have some orange. Orange. Also have the color gray, which is a new color that I learned today. I learned the color gray today. So parents, every day you guys could decide on a certain color for your child to learn, and once a day you focus on that one color for them to learn at home. Yellow. And this means play. Play with me. 1 hand, yellow. 2 hands, play. Play with me. There you go. Pink. Pink. This is the color pink. Black. Like blackberries. Black. And our last color is red. red. This is the color red. I hope you guys have fun in this little activity, and remember, it's up to you guys' creativity. You could use any supplies from home, and we hope that your kids have fun with us, and I hope they enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.